Alright, this video is going to go over the Unit 3 quiz that you've got on AP Central. And number 1 is to find the slope of the curve, and that's going to always mean derivative. So I'm going to do the derivative of each part of number 1 with respect to x. The derivative of x squared is 2x. The next part is going to be product rule. First times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first. The derivative with respect to x of y would be, or y squared, would be 2y times y prime. Derivative of a constant is 0. And then to finish number 1, you would solve for y prime. So everything that does not have a y prime, you would move over to the right side. Anything that has a y prime, leave it on the left side. And then you can also factor out a y prime and solve for y, and you're going to get a fraction. All right, that's number 1. That's a 2 right there. All right, number 2 on that quiz. You would do the derivative of inverse tangent, and it's a little bit of a chain rule also. The derivative of the 4x is 4. When you finish taking the derivative, last step would be to plug in the 1/4. Number 3 is 3 steps. Step 1, take the derivative. Step 2, reciprocal that. Step 3, plug in your value. Number 3 is testing if you can do the derivative of an inverse function. So take the derivative, reciprocal that, plug in your value. All right, question 4 is just asking if I keep taking the derivative, first derivative, second derivative, and so on, when do I get back what I had to begin with? You would have to take the derivative 4 times before you got your sign back. Number 5 is chain rule. That's where we did derivatives by layers. Outer layer first, work your way in. So that's number 5. And question 6. Take each choice and rewrite them. And the only one where you did not have to use the chain rule to do the derivative would be choice C. That is your Unit 3 quiz.